Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about why your Credit Karma score is different from your bank score. You might be surprised to see different credit scores when you check Credit Karma versus what your bank or another lender shows you. This is a very common situation, and it happens for a few key reasons. The main reason is the scoring model. Credit Karma provides you with a Vantage score, while most banks and lenders use a FICO score. Think of them as two different formulas for calculating your credit score. They both use the information in your credit report, but they weigh the factors differently. For example, Vantage score may put a slightly different emphasis on your payment history or credit utilization than FICO does. While they both give you a good idea of your credit health, they'll often result in a different number. Another reason for the difference is the credit bureau data. Your credit scores are based on the information in your credit reports from the three major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Not all lenders report to all three bureaus, and they may report at different times. Credit Karma provides scores from TransUnion and Equifax, but your bank might be using data from Experian. If the information isn't identical across all three bureaus, your scores will be different. Finally, the timing of when the score is pulled matters. A credit score is a snapshot in time. Your scores can change daily as lenders report new information, like a recent payment you've made. The score you see on Credit Karma may have been updated at a different time than the score your bank pulled. The good news is that these differences are normal. The key is to focus on the habits that build a strong credit profile, such as paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and not applying for too much new credit at once. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.